Welcome to my channel. Have a nice day. Today, I will share with you an extremely simple and effective method of propagating roses. Let's get started. First, choose a rose branch that you love, is moderately old and free of pests and diseases. Shorten the branch to only 20 centimeters and remove all the leaves so that the branch does not lose water. Take 1 clove of garlic, peel it. Cut it 3/4 and make a small hole in the middle, just enough for the diameter of the branch. Place the base of the branch into the garlic clove and leave it for 15 minutes. Prepare 2 cloves of garlic, chop them finely and put them in a clean plastic cup. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful antibacterial agent that helps prevent root rot and fungal infections. At the same time, it stimulates the formation of callus, creating favorable conditions for rooting. Next, take 1 tomato about 40 grams. Cut the tomato into small pieces and put it in the cup with the garlic. Pour 350 milliliters of clean water into the cup and stir well. After soaking for enough time, remove the rose branch from the garlic clove. Chop the original garlic clove and put it in the solution, stir well. Put the rose branch in this solution for another 15 minutes to absorb the nutrients. After 15 minutes, remove the rose branch from the solution. Stir well and filter out the solution residue. Keep the clear water. Prepare a clean plastic cup and treated river sand. Fill the cup almost full of sand. Pour the resulting solution into the cup with a sufficient amount. Insert the rose branch into the middle of the cup, making sure the base is submerged in the sand. Use a plastic bag to cover the cup, creating a stable, humid environment like a mini greenhouse. Place the cup in a cool place, away from harsh sunlight and strong winds. After just 1 week, you will see plump new shoots starting to sprout. along with healthy white roots spreading around the base. At this point, you can transfer the branch to a well-drained part. Using a treated coconut fibre substrate to help the plant take root quickly and grow steadily. Isn't that great? With just a few inexpensive ingredients in your kitchen, you can successfully propagate a favorite rose branch. Try it today and share the results with everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive more great rose growing tips that I will share soon. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again.